So today I want to introduce to you a software that will help you create 5, 10, 15, 20 videos from your longer videos in just a click of a button. So introducing Opus Clip. So Opus Clip enables you to create shorter clips using AI. And as you can see here, I have a few in my collection already, but let's just take this one for an example. It's a 35-minute clip, and what it's done is it's actually given me over 24 short videos that it's actually cut up using the prompts that I've enabled it to use. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this yourself. So first off, you can start with Opus for free, but they do have some different plans. So of course, start for free, give it a go and see how it works. I've put a link to my affiliate code below. Give it a go and maybe just give me a little bit of love whilst you sign up through my link. There's a starter plan and then there's a professional plan. It's done by time. So depending on the length of your video, it will take a certain amount of credits. It's a really great tool, and believe me, there is more to it than meets the eye. So let's jump in and I'll show you how easy it is to create. The first thing you want to really understand is that you don't need to have access to the video that you want to cut up with the original file. So in other words, you can actually use a link from within your channel. So for example, let's take one of the ones of my live stream. So let's just take this one. So all I have to do is come here and click the share button, copy the link, come over to my Opus Clips and drop the link in here. Now what it will do is it will pull that video into the system. You can also upload it from your Google Drive, you can connect it to your Dropbox, and you can also just upload it natively from your computer. Now as you can see here, it's given me that I'm going to use 22 of my credits and the language that is being spoken is English. So just scroll down a second and we come to this template area. So I've got a few templates here that I've pre-arranged, and if you smash that subscribe button, there'll be another video on how to actually set up those templates. But you can use some of the quick presets. So they've got some of the biggest influencers and they've given you some of the presets that you can use here. And those presets cover like the font, what it looks like, whether there's any emojis and things like that. Because I want to keep mine on brand, I'm going to go back to my template and I'm going to choose my Anita Wong one. Now there's also this other setting. So what do you want it to clip? So when it's talking head, it's better to just clip like that. If it's just let it do it automatically, and then the length is what's crucial. When you are using the Opus Clip to cut up, say like for example, a 20-minute video, you want it to ideally cut them up into shorts. So in other words, vertical videos that are under 60 seconds. So you can just change this to go 30 to 59 seconds, or you could even take clips that are under 30. I generally go for 30 to 59. Now you can also, if you want to, use some keywords. So we were talking about YouTube on that. So I'm going to just add in the keyword YouTube, just to give the AI a little bit more information about what the context of the video is about. And we were also talking about SEO. Then all you have to do is go ahead and click Get Clips in one click. And it will do the work by uploading the video into its software, and then it will give you an estimated time. So as you can see here, it says an estimated time of about 7 minutes. Depending on your plan, you do get priority for the paid plans, but just go away and come back, because it will actually email you to the registered email account when your clips are ready. So we'll come back once that's done and I'll show you how many clips it made from that 20-minute clip of videos. Don't forget that if you want to try Opus Clip, then I've dropped a link below this video, and there's also a link above my head popping up right now, and you'll be able to click that and sign up through my affiliate. Okay, so as you can see, it's come in here ready. So that took about 5 minutes to process. So when you click on it, you can see, so the video itself was 22 minutes long, and I asked for videos between 30 and 60 seconds long. So let's just scroll down and see how many we have in total. Okay, so we have 19 videos, and I just want to highlight something as well. As you can see, this was a side-by-side video that we had on YouTube. Let's just jump over to YouTube. you can see that we were side by side, and I know for a fact that Tim recorded this using Zoom, so we were like side by side and he'd got his logo on there. So we go back to Opus. What it's actually done is it's actually pulled the two of us and put us on top of each other so that we don't have to worry about when someone's talking, you're missing the trick. So, and what it's also done, as you can see, is it's added the text and it's added that in between. So it's not over the top of my face, it's not over the top of Tim's face. And also what it's done is it's given me a ranking on how likely this is to do well in YouTube, and it's given me an A for hook, so the introduction effectively highlights the benefits. It's given me the flow, so it says it flows nicely. It's given me an A for style, and then it's given me a trend. So it's on trend using this. So what I could do is I could just leave it as it is and just download that by clicking this button and bringing it into my computer. However, Opus Clips have gone one step further. They actually let you schedule these directly to your social platform. So if I click the schedule button, it's going to come over here and I have a choice of using the platforms I've already got. So there's my YouTube platform. If I wanted to add an account, I could add an account, and there'll be another video on that. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All I need to do then is I can either schedule it to go public on a select time. I can upload it to my YouTube channel as a private video and then go in and optimize it, which is what I do, and I'd recommend that you do that. So you can do that either private or unlisted. So I'm going to just click private, and then I'm going to select the time that I want it to go up. Okay, so I've done the 28th. Let me just do 9 o'clock in the morning. So I've scheduled it for tomorrow. So go ahead and click schedule, and it's scheduled that ready. And you can look at your scheduled posts inside of the scheduler. So if we go here, it's there ready to go up tomorrow morning privately, so I can go into my channel and optimize it. You can, of course, just let it roll as it is if you want, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video all about how you can use a share link from your YouTube videos, pop them into your Opus Clip software, and get up to, or even more than, 10, 15, 20 videos from a video that's around 10 to 20 minutes long. My name's Anita Wong. If you have any questions, drop them below this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.